I wonder why it takes a lot of time to speak English fluently and effortlessly. I want to learn this language within few months because if I learn it, so I can get job, I can do a lot of things. So that is why I want to speak this language fluently and effortlessly within few months. But the thing is that I have already given 1 month. I had heard from the people that you can speak this language within 1 month, within 3 months. But my friend, I have already given that amount of time. Still, I am unable to speak. So I wonder why it takes a lot of time to speak English fluently and effortlessly. Is it happening with me or does it happen with others? Hello and welcome to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning this language great way. See my friend, when I was a beginner, I also thought that I could learn this language within 1 month. With this thought, I embarked my journey. After spending 1 month, I realized that I wasn't able to speak this language good way. So I thought it may take some more time. So I set my goal for 3 months. I gave a lot of time, energy. I was dedicated. So after spending 3 months, I started speaking this language. I would say in broken English. I used to make a lot of mistakes, grammatical mistakes, or I wasn't able to put right word on the right time. That is why I would say that I was able to speak, but that English was broken English. Okay, so I thought, okay, it may take some more time. So I set my goal for 6 months, and after spending 6 months, I realized that I was able to speak, but not very fluently. In 6 months, I had learned grammar, everything. But my friend, still I wasn't able to speak like a pro, like a good speaker. Then I thought, okay, it may take some more time. See, it was taking a lot of time and it was checking my patience. Really, I thought, okay, I should leave it because I was alone at my home. No one was practicing with me. I used to practice online. Initially, I didn't have a lot of co-learners and there were very less way to practice. Nowadays, a lot of ways are there. We can talk to ChatGPT, we can talk to online co-learners. So many ways are there, but earlier, very less ways were there. And that is why it was taking a lot of time and I took a lot of time to learn this language. So when I spent that amount of time and I realized that I wasn't able to speak, then I thought, okay, why? Why it is happening with me only? Then I found that this is the way, this is the natural way to learn English language. My friend, if you want to speak this language just like a native speaker or a fluent speaker, so you have to give a lot of time. You have to put a lot of energy, you have to be dedicated, and you have to be consistent. Then you can speak this language with fluency. See, you must have heard that nothing worthwhile can be achieved over the night. In this case also, if we want to speak this language very fluently, we have to know the reality that it is time taken process. So that is why we won't get impatient. But if we don't know, if we know that okay, it takes only 1 month, 2 months, in that case we can get impatient, we can be demotivated. Ultimately we can leave our journey also, right? And I don't want you to give up. I want you to continue, and I want you to speak this language fluently and effortlessly. So I thought, okay, if I tell you with example, you may understand it and you may keep practicing and then become a fluent speaker. So my friend, look at behind me. You might be able to see a lot of grass, right? Some small plants are there. So see, those plants took few weeks or few months to grow. But look at behind me, one gigantic tree is there, that is jackfruit. You know what? That jackfruit tree took numbers of years to grow. And if we want to uproot those grass or those small plants, it won't take a lot of time. we can uproot it within few seconds, right? But coming to this gigantic tree, if we try to uproot that gigantic tree, jackfruit tree, it will take a lot of time, right? Because it has built a strong root. But coming to those grass, their root is fragile, it is not very strong, right? So if we want to make strong root, or if we want to speak this language very fluently, we need to give a lot of time. This tree must have taken a lot of water, a lot of caring, and a lot of time to become this much of gigantic tree. It is a very big tree, right? So if we talk about those plants, it may have taken few weeks. That is why, my friend, if we want to get something big in our life, we should be ready to give time, energy, effort according to that things, right? But in our case, what we do, we just get impatient. We keep thinking about our result, that why I am not able to see my result. My friend, speaking this language is not very easy. If it were very easy, many people would be speaking this language very fluently. But no, few people, they are able to speak because few are able to maintain their consistency. Actually, many of us, we start doing something. We are a good starter but bad finisher, right? So when this kind of process start checking our patience, many a people, they fail, but few, they sustain, and that is why they achieve big things, right? So in our case, we have to become sustainer so that we can get the big result, right? And for that one, we should be ready to give a lot of time, we should be dedicated, we should be motivated, and that motivation should be self motivation, not from someone's, by watching others we see, okay, that person is speaking so well, he or she may have done within few months, within few days, and that is why we get motivated, we start. But on the way, when it start examine ourselves, that time we fail. So if you want to achieve something big, I mean fluency or anything in your life, be ready to sacrifice some small things, okay? So as you can see, I'm standing in my garden and it's windy today. My friend, I have given a lot of time to learn this language, really, and that is why I'm able to speak, okay? If I had left after spending 1 month, would I be able to speak this language today? No. In your case also, if you give up, you won't be able to speak. If you continue, no matter how much problem you are going to face on the way, ultimately who will enjoy the result? You are the person who is going to enjoy the result. That is why be ready to sacrifice small things, and don't get impatient by watching others result, just like if this gigantic tree start getting impatient by watching those grasses, is it fair? No, it's not fair. That is their quality. They grow within few days and they die within few days. Coming to this gigantic tree, it takes time to grow and they sustain for a long time, okay? They can resist strong wind. But coming to the small plant or grass, they can't resist, they can't sustain, So that is why, my friend, if we want to become strong, or if we want to become a fluent speaker, just like a native speaker or a very good speaker, then we need to give a lot of time, energy, effort, dedication, and we have to be self-motivated. And one thing I'm forgetting, that is consistency. Consistency is uttermost important, okay? As you can see the scenario, it's so beautiful. Those buffaloes, they are taking rest. They are enjoying the weather. Actually, today weather is quite good. Before today, I would say that there was heat wave and we weren't able to, step out easily from our house. But now, today it's quite good weather. This is what I wanted to share with you. I hope you like my video. If you, then please like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.